Hey everyone, I really wanted to walk you through what this template of this blog editorial looks like. So if you're on the fence on whether or not this is going to work for you and your Medium Airtable or your Medium database, feel free to get an inside scoop on how everything looks like. So when you get this base, basically what happens is that we created an automation, so you'll also get a bonus training video on how to automatically take your Google Docs to your record base or your database of your media articles. And what happens is that this automatically gets sent in from Google Docs to this form. So you don't really have to touch this Airtable database because it's automatically going to be created for you. So it has all the things that you need to do. So it'll have the name. So say, for example, you're writing Google Docs and you wanted to put the name in here, as well as, the subtitles. So if you want to extract the subtitles, so if you have a subtitle that's already in your document, you can go ahead and read the document and extract the subtitle so you can get all that great information, as well as the Google Docs link. So if you want to reference the link, you can go ahead and do so, the date it was created, and you can actually schedule your articles. So let's just say I want to schedule this on the 27th at that particular time. You'll get a calendar view, which is pretty cool, of the articles and when they go live. So essentially, you can see that it went here, which is pretty awesome. So you have a way for you to know the status of the article. So when this gets automatically automated into your Airtable base, you'll go ahead and know the status. You'll also be able to get the content, so you can map out all the content if you want to have it just an oversight view of your articles and what that look like. You can go ahead and have a little bit of a check mark. So say if you're like, okay, I rescheduled it, I just want to check it off my to-do list, press that, and you submit to publication. Feel free to do that. Another great thing is that this database will automatically read through your Google Docs and it will choose the publication. So it'll find the publication. If you said, I want my publication to be Better Humans, great, it'll extract that information and put it into publication, as well as it will extract the tags. Now, when the article goes live, you can also have the link housed in here. So we created an automation to automatically take the data from your Google Docs and put it into this Airtable database to basically have all the records of your Airtable or of your articles on Medium. So this is a great way for you to house all your data instead of using a Google Sheets or trying to find information, look through a bunch of documents. You can just have all your information in one database, always reference it. And one really cool thing is if you want to share, your articles to, say, for example, a team or things like that, you can also create a link to share people, invite people. You can share publicly and have it be read only, whatever is best for you. So feel free to get this template. You'll get a mini course as well as how to set up an automation, a plug and play templates. Literally, you just plug and play this template and you're all good to go. So I'll see you in the next video, and I hope to see you on the inside.